Hello, I'm your C++ tutor, and in this video I will tell you about the role of if-else statement, what is the role of if-else statement in C++, and how to code with if-else statement and how to work with if-else statement. First of all, what is the syntax of if-else statement? This is a syntax of if-else statement that if and parentheses, inside parentheses we have given a condition, and if condition, this condition is false, then the else condition works. If this condition is right, then else condition will not work. And now I will illustrate you and explain you everything about if else statement through this small program. First of all, let's get you to the first line of program. Here I have made a variable named password whose data type is string, and I have set it password is equal to beautiful. And on the next line I have cout. I have done that cout less than please enter your password. In the next line, this line will show on your computer screen when you will run the program. When the user will run the program, this is the first line that will show on the computer screen. When we will enter that password, where will that password go? The password will go to the variable get pass that we have created here. We have created another variable whose data type is string, and cin get pass. Get pass is getting the password from the user. When we will enter the password, if that password is equal to the password that we created here, if condition that this condition is true, then cout password accepted will show on the screen. And if the password that the user will insert, that the user will enter, when this line will show on the screen, if that password is not equal to the password that we have set it here, if that password is not equal to the password, then else statement will work. So now let's compile the program and run the program. Let's say enter the password. For example, we have set it the password beautiful. First of all, we will write beautiful password accepted. You can see that password accepted is showing on our computer screen because we know that this condition is true, because we have entered the password beautiful, and our password that we set it here is also beautiful. So cout password accepted is showing on our screen. If we will write wrong password, if the user will input the wrong password, for example unified, this is if we will enter a unified password, please try again later, the else statement worked. Or if the user will enter another wrong password, for example this, please try again will again show on the screen because we entered a wrong password. Let's note this that else statement always work when the condition of if statement is false. When this condition will be false, then else statement will work, and if this statement is true, then else statement will not work. This was our short tutorial on if else statement. If you liked the video, please subscribe, like, and share this video with your family members.